Hi guys, wow, what beautiful weather we're having at the moment. It's certainly got out since we've come back from Wales. I've been run ragged as well in the marina, so I'm sorry this video's been delayed a little bit. I'm even working nights for the next 4 days, covering lock duties, so that'll be a bit ragging. Anyway, I'd like to say, wow, thanks. We've been gaining subscribers fantastically over the last month or so. Let's just keep that going. We're getting there, we're getting there. You can help us by giving us a big thumbs up when you like our videos. Just give us a thumbs up. That'll move us up the rankings within YouTube and then allow even more people to see our videos. And thanks to our patrons. They help us financially. Helping to bring these videos along. I've had some thoughts about what we're going to do in the future, just to add a little bit of spice to what we do. Travel is very difficult still with COVID. It's on the rise again. Hopefully we're not going to go into any more lockdowns, but you just do not know which way this is going. That's why I took a job in the marina, just to fill some time in. But looking around the marina, we've got lots of little businesses and things going on. We've got narrowboat builders down here. They fit out custom-wise on narrowboats. We've got people who do soft furnishings, make canvas covers. We've got the survey vessel, we've got yacht trainers, we've got motor cruiser trainers. So what I'm looking at doing, just adding little bits into the things that we bring, not to promote those businesses, but just to show what marina life is about. So, thanks for watching us, and don't forget, thumbs up guys, and do hit that subscribe button. And if you do want to become a patron, click onto our Patreon link. We have 3 tiers, so it's up to you which tier you wish to subscribe under. Thanks guys, and take care and stay well. And so as we started our journey down, we got into some decent seas. They were choppy. No real direction or organisation to the waves. They were just extremely sloppy. Some would break over the bow, some would break at the side. We were rocking, rolling, pitching. Couldn't really get any speed up. Didn't really want to either. We had plenty of time.
There's Dave doing his piloting as normal, and then hey presto, we've got another one. We've got a buddy boat, and then we've got empty ocean again.
And as we came across the wash, it flattened out and land ho! See just off our port bow the special marker, the Cardinal Buoy, which is a west Cardinal Buoy, so we're passing it to the west. That's the entrance to Wells Harbour, and that's where you need to call up Wells Harbour now. Turn around that Cardinal, and there is a yellow can around about 165 degrees. That is the actual start of the run. That's followed by a starboard green marker and then a port hand red can. and you just keep following those up all the way in. It's still a long run, but the harbour commissioners have done a fantastic job of simplifying this entry. One of the things that we always find fantastic about coming into Wells is just how close you get to the beach. You run down that beach side, and everybody we speak to say, "Ah, that's phenomenal." After a trip, you know, it's 70 odd miles from Hull. It's just wonderful to see that beach and just run alongside it and see the people on it. We were quite surprised just how many people there were on the beach, and given it's still school time, lots and lots of kids. I suppose that they're enjoying the break in a good old British seaside town. Where the commissioners have made a big change is when you get past the outer harbour. Instead of then swinging back to the east, you just cut straight down the west side, and it's a straight run all the way into the visitor moorings. The harbour staff are absolutely brilliant. They stand by, direct you where they want you, and take your lines, make sure you're fast, and then you can do whatever you want to do to finally mow your vessel up to the pontoon. And even though the weather was a little bit inclement in places, wasn't quite what you would expect in July, this is England, and therefore, yeah, you make the best of it. And we had a brilliant time. It was just a shame it was only 3 days for us. We had to make our escape on the Thursday. The thing you must do when you go to Wells is keep a close eye on the weather. Make sure you are not going to see any northerlies coming. You don't want to get trapped into Wells, and quite a few people the week after us were trapped there, awaiting a weather window to get back out. So just be aware, keep watching those weather forecasts. Yeah. And we come for a nice touchdown. The noises you hear are our buddy boat. They're just hanging just out of camera shot at the minute, waiting to come in and cast their lines ashore. Just need to wait for the harbour staff to finish with us.
Put one down from the bow as well.
What was nice to see is some of the boats ahead of us on the pontoon. They'd left Hull. They knew us from our videos, and it's always nice to see viewers and chat to them. Being a lockkeeper here at Hull as well, they were calling me up and, "Oh, hiya Dave," you know. It's real nice being friendly with our viewers. loads of time with them. And so here comes Andy Armo in.